Hey, what is up? It's your boy Hassan from OpenBox and welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Razer Blackwidow mechanical gaming keyboard with Razer green switches. So let's get right into the unboxing. So first off, this is one of the major classic Razer keyboards and in my opinion the best well-rounded keyboard from Razer. This keyboard is fully RGB lit and of course has fully programmable keys which you can customize on the Razer sign up software. So just before we get started, make sure to subscribe, turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. So here it is, the keyboard is right in front of you. It is actually protected better than most keyboards I actually receive from Razer, but there it is, straight out the thing. So of course it is not a really chunky keyboard compared to others like the Corsair K55, but it is an alright keyboard. It does not have detachable USB cables, which is one of the downsides, but it's still there. Now there it is, the USB cable is pretty long, it's 1.2 meters, so it should get to your PC. It does work on Xbox and PS4 in case you're asking, so there it is. So it does have a little kickstand for you to put your keyboard upright, and you can turn your cable to the side in case you don't want it straight in the middle. So now let's talk about the green switches. Now these are not as loud as blue switches but are clicky and do make a bit of noise to a likable level, so it's not annoying but it's still there. They do feel amazing to type on and game on as they are really responsive, but to be honest it is pretty much one of a classic, so no need to debate about that. So the RGB, so as you can see it does have a lot of modes. You can change it through the Razer sign up software. If you press FN it actually highlights which keys you can actually control through it, which is pretty cool. So now let's talk about the price. It does come at just under £100, which makes it more of a higher end keyboard compared to other gaming keyboards. Now as you can see, that is the cable and you can route it through the left or the right. I prefer it through the middle in my opinion, but it is a great keyboard nonetheless. So thanks for watching and have a great day.